in our journey through consciousness. I'm your host, Leroy Glover, and today we're exploring the summit of our 100th level of ascent into the realm of cosmic awareness. This is level 100. We made it, ladies and gentlemen. Cosmic unity consciousness. Now, by reaching this level, one achieves the pinnacle of human potential. It's not just about understanding the cosmos, it's about becoming one with it, merging our consciousness with the cosmic mind and being an expression of cosmic awareness itself. So, what does it look like when you attain this level, this state of complete unity with oneness with the entire cosmos? Imagine standing at the edge of a boundless cosmetic ocean, feeling every wave, every particle as part of you. It's an indescribable state of being where the boundaries that separate you from the universe fade into nothingness. You become a cosmic mirror, reflecting the universe's infinite wisdom, love, and potential. At this level, the concept of separation dissolves, and you see and feel the essential unity of all that exists. You are the conductor of the grand orchestra of creation, and your every thought and intention resonates through the cosmos. The power of the law of attraction is at its zenith as you and your cosmic oneness allows you to effortlessly align with the highest frequencies of the universe. Your mindset and the concepts that you create in your mind that floods your mind at this level are nothing short of profound. You understand that you are both a singular drop and the entire ocean, a fleeting moment of eternity itself. The wisdom of the cosmos flows through you, guiding your every action. Those around you perceive you as a beacon of wisdom and love. Your presence brings a sense of awe and inspiration, igniting the spark of cosmic potential within them. For those who wish to embark on this journey, remember that it's a path of dedication, introspection, and embracing unity, love, wisdom, and transformation. Meditate, read, and explore practices that align with the cosmic principles that resonate with you. Now, as we wrap up this monumental 100th video series on consciousness, remember that these levels are symbolic, representing the infinite potential for spiritual and conscious growth. Individuals' experiences may vary. And so, my dear listeners, we've reached the end of this incredible voyage through the realm of consciousness. From the bottom of my heart, and on behalf of the entire Thoughts Master podcast team, we thank you for sharing this journey with us. Your thoughts truly do matter, and by embracing your cosmic unity consciousness, you hold the power to transform your life and the world around you. Thank you, dear listeners, for your unwavering support and dedication to exploration of the human mind and spirit. Until we meet again on a new adventure, remember, as always, your thoughts do matter.